This travel destination is not new to me, but this resort is new to me. I'm off for a staycation looking to be pampered and relaxed with my 2.5-month-old baby and my partner. Hi, I'm Chitra and you are watching Masala Box Travel. Today I'm going to take you through the Sarai Bandipur. Sarai Bandipur has a range of activities to offer, and the crowd that comes here are also more resort centric, as in they come here to relax, get unwind. Um, so so their life revolves around the resort and its activities. They have like nature walking, bird walking, safaris to offer, spa, gym. I'll walk you through some of them, but the good part is the resort offers something for everybody. As in, if you come with a baby, there is a corner. If you come with a toddler, there's a corner. If you come with children, there is an activity corner. And if you come with a bunch of adults, there is an activity corner. Needless to say, it is a romantic place for couples as well because there is greenery all around. It is situated well in the buffer zone of Bandipur. If you're coming through the Bandipur Mysore road, you have to take a deviation from Mangla village and come all the way into the buffers of Bandipur. They have three kinds of rooms. These are the courtyard rooms, and they are segregated in terms of like 5 courtyard rooms together and well spaced out. So one section doesn't affect the privacy of the other. And then these are the log huts. So this is the only rooms that is facing the buffer zone of the jungle. Rest face into the park or within the resort. And these are the residences. In case you have a very large family that you want to accommodate all of them in a room, that is the residences. So this is a fence property. So at the max you can see a peacock or two flying in, no deer or anything. And this is the buffer zone gate or the fence that is bordering the jungle. So nature walks happen through the buffer zone, and if you are lucky, you might be able to see a lot of deers roaming around. We couldn't spot any leopard as such in spite of hearing an alarm call. We had booked a courtyard room, and I'm going to give you a room tour of the courtyard room. Let's go. So the courtyard rooms are the maximum number of rooms you could see. I mean, majority of the rooms here are the courtyard rooms, as was the one under the flame of the jungle tree. So it was very scenic to see so many orange color flowers lying in front of the room, as well as the rooms were well planted with bougainvillea flowers decorating it. It's a very spacious courtyard room. You walk in into the washroom. There is your regular toiletries, good artistically made room and the washroom. The bath opens to the closed space, as in it lets you in the lights but not the insects. That kind of a well ventilated bathroom. And then you have your huge king size bed. Then the regulars such as your wardrobe, your safe, your kettle, a lounge, sofa lounge, a study table, your television, um, everything that you can find, your slippers and all of that well furnished within the resort for you to stay. And the snacks also keeps getting refreshed along with your different coffee and this thing. And of course, the room has a touch of wildlife pictures because you are in the middle of the jungle. The balcony opens up into the garden of the resort, and this was right after monsoon. So the greenery was beautiful to watch. Everywhere around the resort they have planted ample trees and they have maintained the lawn very well. So it's quite scenic irrespective of the choice of room that you take. That's my partner. My baby was taking a nap and I thought this was the best time to unwind myself with a fresh cup of coffee and a book. The evening was drizzling away and it was the best thing to do. As the evening lights came on, a jungle hare popped off to show us. Needless to say, it moved towards the buffer zone of the jungle later. Well, it was night and it was spent rocking my baby to sleep and catching on a good night's sleep. Morning, we were off to the restaurant for a good breakfast. Everything is a little apart, and in case if you want to hire a cycle, they have the option to hire a cycle and ride around the resort as well. But it's all walkable. I mean, you will definitely enjoy the pleasant walk through this resort. This is a restaurant where you have your breakfast, lunch, dinner, and of course, room service is available for lunch and dinner. The breakfast was a good spread. You could find the usual South Indian, North Indian, and continental along with your puff pastry, desserts, coffee, tea, and so forth. The restaurant itself overlooks the buffer zone of the jungle, and on a clear day, you can see the Nilgiris mountain at a distance pretty clearly. They also have a well equipped gym, something for your cardio as well as strength training, and people were, of course, utilizing the gym also. On a staycation, I'm not going to do that. My idea was to look for a spa, and the spa was right next door. I opted for a back massage as well as a facial, refreshing facial. Needless to say, the both were amazing. The massage was something I had longed for after nearly 3 months of sleep deprivation of having a newborn baby. It was very relaxing. Walking around the resort, you come across a section that children can play around with, and walking further, you see a recreational area as well. As I said, there's something for everyone. If you're just a group of adults looking to chill, that's also good. If you're a romantic couple, that's also good, and if you're a family, that's also good. What I also noticed in Serai is they had segregated the section of rooms in such a way that a crying baby is not going to disturb a romantic couple. So that's how they had placed people apart. So we decided to extend our stay by another day and we had to shift rooms. This is again a courtyard room, but this is a premium courtyard room. And there's a subtle difference between the courtyard rooms and the premium courtyard rooms. Most of it are the same. So you have the same bath, the concept of the bath opening to the sky, the toiletries, the spacious room, the aesthetics, the balcony facing the garden. Most everything is almost the same. And then there is a touch of addition. The addition is this lounge room. So the study, additional sofa and the relaxing lounge area is available with the Courtyard premium rooms. From the previous guests, what I understand is if you come with a nanny, these rooms can be allocated for them. Or if you are in a, 3 adults or 4 adults and you're looking to stay, this will be kind of a little more spacious, allowing you to do. The only disadvantage of these rooms are the balconies are not closed. So the what you hear from the next room, um, you can hear it in your room as well. But the good part is, as I was feeding my baby, I had a lot of dietary restriction, and Sarai took care of cooking food that was not there in the menu. They were able to provide me with customized meals. I'm very thankful for that, and such delicious food was available. I had also booked safari from the Sarai. So this again is run by Karnataka Forest Department. But what Sarai does is they facilitate you to book a ticket. They will drop you at the center, and the safari will be through a canter. And I was doing the safari after 12 months. If you're following my channel, you know what a wildlife lover I am. And ever since I conceived, I couldn't go on a safari. So finally, I was able to get on the canter and go into the jungle for a safari. It was pouring so bad, and I'm not a fan of canter, but what happens here is it's not your regular government bus canter that they take you in. These have a lot more open spaces, easy for you to take pictures. And I got lucky. Look what I found in the jungle. Me and my partner took turns to go on the safari while one looked after the baby. Needless to say, Sarai Bandipur is a beautiful place to relax and unwind. I cherish my stay here. It was quite relaxing after all that I wanted. We walked through the souvenir shop looking to pick something, as this was our first trip with our baby. Hoping to return here soon for another staycation. I hope you enjoy this video. Please do like, share and subscribe to Masala Box Travel.